$35 million ganja bust and gun seizure in Manchester. Plus, the JCF gets 64 new vehicles.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
4 people are now in police custody following a multi-million-dollar drug bust by members of the Narcotics and Manchester Police in Spur 3, Manchester on Monday, the 4th of May. Reports are that about 8:45 p.m, a joint police military team carried out coordinated operations at 2 premises in the area. During the search, approximately 8,700 pounds of compressed ganja were seized. This is the largest compressed ganja seizure in the country's history, according to the police. The police say the estimated street value of the illicit drug is $35 million. A motor vehicle was also seized during the raid. The identities of the 4 taken into custody are being withheld, pending further investigation. The Manchester Police also seized a firearm and several rounds of ammunition during an operation in Mandeville on Monday. Reports are that about 3 p.m, a team of officers were conducting an operation in the area when a premises was searched and a Bulgarian Markova pistol with a magazine containing 2 rounds of ammunition was found. 1 man was subsequently taken into custody in connection with the seizure. Meanwhile, the process of modernizing the Jamaica Constabulary Force continues, with the addition of 64 new vehicles to the fleet. The 64 retrofitted L200 Mitsubishi pickup trucks were handed over to the Jamaica Constabulary Force under its Project Rebuild Overhaul and Construct. A total of 107 motor vehicles valued at approximately $700 million have been handed over to the JCF within the last 2 months.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.